Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to use the Android Auto functions. Let me show you how to turn it on or off. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Select here the settings. From the list of settings, choose here the phone icon in order to open the connected device settings. From the following list, all you need to do is use the Android Auto functions. As you can see, you can enable or disable this feature just by using this toggle. And here we've got settings for integrating your Android smartphone with the car's display to use Google Maps, Spotify, and messaging apps. It's quite useful if you have the Android phone and you would like to connect it by using the Android Auto function. Let's keep this feature enabled for sure. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.